So I've been out of town the last few weeks and I haven't done anything to this lawn, and it's starting to look pretty abused and neglected. Haven't mowed it, haven't fertilized it, haven't done anything. Really hasn't grown too much, but it's still looking pretty ugly here. As you can see, I got some trees coming up here. I mean, we got some maple trees growing, and we got some clover, and it looks like we got some little disease and fungus and just seed heads here. So things truly are not looking too good with the lawn, but it could be worse, right? Let's go take a look at the bluegrass, because that isn't doing too hot. So in my front yard, I got Kentucky bluegrass, and I got SS 1100 Kentucky bluegrass out here in the front yard, and it's not looking really good. It did not do well while I was away. I got dead areas right in here. This is all dead. I got dead spots here. I got just multicolored grass in here. It's just not really doing too hot. I'm gonna have to redo this fall, actually. So yeah, neglecting this for 3 weeks didn't help the situation. Now these are all improved cultivars, and so what they require is a lot of maintenance. They require irrigation, fertilizer, mowing, right? They have to be highly maintained for them to look their best. And when you neglect it for 3 weeks, not doing too hot. So this is pretty much toast. What's interesting over here, though, is that my Scott's Kentucky bluegrass is looking the best out of all 3 grass types that I have. So let's just take a walk over here and take a look at this bluegrass. So this behind me, I don't show this much on camera, but this is my Scott's Kentucky bluegrass, and honestly, this is looking a whole lot better than anything else that I have going on in my yard. So if we look at this Kentucky bluegrass, you can see that it looks a lot better than the SS 1100 bluegrass, and it even looks better than the perennial ryegrass right now. Now these are all bred under conditions that are not ideal. They aren't bred to be maintained with high fertilizer and frequent mowing and fungicides. These things are bred to just be planted and left alone, and that's what happens with this Kentucky bluegrass. You can see that it looks a lot better even though I haven't been maintaining it at all. So if you're looking for a grass type that is low maintenance and you don't have to put a lot of effort into it and it'll bounce back from heat and stress, the older cultivars like the Scott's Kentucky bluegrass or contractor mix that you might find at a local hardware store, those might be better for you if you're just looking for a lawn that's just going to be able to survive stressful conditions without a lot of maintenance. So that's one of the good things about those older cultivars, is that they're just nice and low maintenance and will still look okay under decent conditions. So I haven't quite determined what I'm going to do with this Kentucky bluegrass here in the front yard, but we're going to have to do something. So I got a video coming out on how I'm going to renovate this, and if you want to be interested in that, you can do the whole subscribe thing. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.